Following the Amber Heard trial, Johnny Depp's addiction returns with a vengeance, and he was discovered passed out in a hotel. After years of upheaval caused by his ex-wife, Amber Heard, who accused him of domestic abuse, Johnny Depp is now moving on with his life. They even got into a court battle, which was eventually settled. He was observed focusing more on his music career after the lawsuit was formally settled, but things are not perfect. According to The Insider, he skipped the soundcheck ahead of the planned event, which was nothing out of the ordinary in this sector. Everything was set, the stage was set, the backstage crew was ready for the party. It didn't even occur to me that there could be a problem, especially as the band members had done the sound setup that had been scheduled for the afternoon. They continued to share. No one thought any more about the fact that Johnny Depp didn't take part. His microphone was set up by a staff member, but that's not unusual for such stars. Things started to go a bit bizarre as the informant mentioned. All we've heard is that Depp was overexcited. He couldn't even leave the hotel. Due to his undisclosed health condition, a doctor was even called to check on him. We also heard that they called a doctor to see if there was anything more wrong with him than simply overdoing it as a rock star. Though many are wondering about his health condition, many are alleging that his addiction could be a possibility due to his past history. His substance and alcohol abuse past was even involved in his defamation lawsuit with his ex-wife, Amber Heard. The former couple were involved in a 6-week-long defamation litigation filed by the Pirates of the Caribbean actor against his ex-wife in 2019. It all started in December 2018. When Heard wrote an opinion article for The Washington Post in which she portrayed herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Though she did not name her ex-husband, their nasty divorce and the timing of the op-ed convinced everyone that the former was the culprit. Because of such a shady reputation, his career and fame were severely harmed, prompting him to take steps to prove his innocence. He filed the complaint, seeking $50 million in punitive and compensatory damages from the Aquaman actress. Meanwhile, she countersued him for $100 million.